Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to learn conjunction and its kinds, but if you are new to my channel then subscribe the channel and like the video. Without wasting your time, let's move and start it. A conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases, or clauses together. What does it mean? Simply, it means that a conjunction is nothing but just a part of speech, and every part of speech has specific function, so this part of speech function is to join one word to another word, and one phrase to another phrase, or one clause to another. If you are not getting the point, so let me give some example, you will understand it. For example, I like pizza and ice cream. The word "and" in the sentence is a coordinating conjunction. A conjunction is a word that joins two or more words, phrases, or clauses of equal importance. In this sentence, the words pizza and ice cream are both nouns of equal importance. The conjunction "and" joins the words ice cream and pizza. So this is a conjunction. I went to the store but I didn't buy something. Here in this example, if you look at closely the word "but" it is used to join two independent clauses, so it is conjunction. The first clause, I went to the store, tells us that the speaker went to the store. The second clause, I didn't buy something, tells us that the speaker did not buy anything at the store. The conjunction "but" is used to show a contrast between the two clauses. In other words, the speaker went to the store with the intention of buying something, but they did not buy something. So, here the word "but" is a conjunction because it joins two clauses. I will go to the movies after I finish my homework. In the sentence the word "after" is a conjunction. Actually, it is used to connect the subordinate clause, after I finish my homework, to the main clause, I will go to the movies. The subordinate clause tells us what will happen after the main clause. As you have understood a conjunction, but you have not understood kinds of conjunction. Basically, there are three main kinds of conjunctions in the English language, and they are 1. Coordinate conjunction, 2. Subordinate conjunction, 3. Correlative conjunction. Well, let's move and learn it one by one in detail. Coordinate conjunction. It can be defined as a coordinate conjunction, also known as a coordinating conjunction, is a word that connects words, phrases, or clauses of equal importance in a sentence. Simply, it means that a coordinate conjunction is nothing but just a word in a sentence that joins clauses, words, or phrases. I think still you are not getting the point. Let me tell you in simple words that there are only 7 coordinate conjunctions, and they are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Actually, if you take the initial letters from these coordinating conjunctions, so they give us the word fanboys. By this way you can remember coordinating conjunctions. For example, would you like coffee or tea? Basically, look at this example and analyze it. Here the word "or" is a coordinate conjunction. It is used to join two nouns, coffee and tea, which are of equal grammatical rank. The conjunction "or" gives the listener two choices, coffee or tea. Actually, as you know that coordinate conjunctions are used to join any two elements of equal grammatical rank. This means that they can be used to join elements that are nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, phrases, or clauses. In this case, the word "or" is used to join two nouns. She studied hard so she could pass the test. Here in this sentence the word "so" is a coordinating conjunction. It joins two independent clauses together, creating a compound sentence. The first independent clause is "she studied hard." This clause tells us what the subject of the sentence did. The second independent clause is, she could pass the test. This clause tells us why the subject of the sentence studied hard. The word so can also be used as a subordinating conjunction, but in this case it is used as a coordinating conjunction. As a coordinating conjunction, so is used to join two independent clauses together in a compound sentence. He is tired yet he still wants to go out. Here in this sentence the word, yet, is a coordinate conjunction. How is it a coordinate conjunction? The answer is because it joins the two independent clauses, he is tired, and, he still wants to go out. The conjunction, yet, is used to join both of them. Subordinate conjunction. A subordinate conjunction is a type of conjunction that connects a dependent clause, subordinate clause, to an independent clause, main clause, in a sentence. It helps to show the relationship between the two clauses, such as cause and effect, contrast, or time. Keeping in mind this definition, we can easily get the idea that a subordinate conjunction joins or connects a subordinate clause to an independent clause. I think still you are not getting the point L, so let me give you some examples, then you will understand. For example, while I was waiting for you, I read a book. In the sentence, while I was waiting for you, I read a book, the word, while, is a subordinating conjunction. It joins the subordinate clause, while I was waiting for you, to the independent clause, I read a book. The subordinate clause tells us what the speaker was doing while he was waiting for the person. So, simply you can say here the word, while, is a subordinate conjunction because here it joins the dependent clause with an independent clause. I won't leave until you finish your homework. In this sentence the subordinating conjunction is, until, because it is used to join subordinate clause with an independent clause. The main clause is, I won't leave, and the subordinate clause is, until you finish your homework. In this sentence, it tells us that the speaker will not leave until the person finishes their homework. Though I was tired, I still went to the party. Here in this example, the word though is a subordinating conjunction because it joins a subordinate clause to an independent clause. The subordinate clause, though I was tired, cannot stand on its own as a sentence. It needs the independent clause, and that is, I still went to the party, to complete its meaning. Correlative conjunction. A correlative conjunction is a pair of conjunctions that are used together to join two clauses or phrases that are of equal importance. Simply, it means that a correlative conjunction always comes in a pair and it joins together two clauses or phrases that are of equal importance, and this means that you can't use just one half of a correlative conjunction in a sentence. And by equal importance means correlative conjunctions join clauses or phrases that are of equal importance. This means that the clauses or phrases should have the same grammatical form. For example, if the first clause is a noun phrase, the second clause should also be a noun phrase. Basically, the most common correlative conjunctions are, for example, either/or, neither/nor, both/and, not only/ but also, whether/or, as/so, no sooner/than, such/that. Just look at correlative conjunctions in sentences. For example, you can either go to the store or stay home. Look at this sentence. The correlative conjunction is either/or. It is used to join two clauses that are of equal importance, go to the store, and stay home. The sentence is offering a choice between two options. You can see here in this sentence the correlative conjunction has come in a pair, and that is, either, and, or. Neither John nor Mary is coming to the party. In this example, the correlative conjunction is neither and nor, which is used to connect the two elements, John and Mary, and show that neither of them is coming to the party. Neither is the first part of the correlative pair, and nor is the second part, working together to express the negative outcome. The cake was both delicious and beautiful. Here in this example, the correlative conjunction is both and is used to join two adjectives that are of equal importance. The first adjective, delicious, describes the taste of the cake. The second adjective, beautiful, describes the appearance of the cake. Basically, you can find it easily if look at the correlative conjunction, both, and is used to join two adjectives that are describing the same noun. The noun is cake. The adjectives delicious and beautiful are both describing the cake, and they are of equal importance. This is why the correlative conjunction both and is used to join them. Well guys, if you have enjoyed the lecture then please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.